Welcome back to the Maths online class. We are working for the class 10th trigonometric identities, and this is the practice exercise wherever we are going to solve the different categories of the question for you with the proper explanation. Okay, right now see what is some of the question again. Question number 8, 9 and 10. Question might be anything, but the concept will be always the same. What you have to do, you have to solve the different categories of the question, then only you will get the proper confidence, and that confidence it will help you to concentrate on the subject also, and after that only you can solve any of the question within the limited time. Sometimes what happens in the exam, we are just lacking the shortage of the time. Why? It happens because of the lack of practice. Until unless we are not practicing at our home, nobody can help you. We are just to motivate you, we are here to motivate you, we are here to guide you, to monitor you, no problem. And so see here, whatever the things I am going to do here, just concentrate, focus more and more, and try to understand. Okay, right now see question number 8. Question number 8, cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta power 4 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. That is the question that we have to prove. This is the question of prove that. All the question are prove that whatever the left hand side, it should be always equal to the right hand side. That we have to prove right now. So what I have done here, I have taken the left hand side, cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta. Right now see, tell me, is there any formula which is in terms of the 4? No, there is no formula which comes in the power 4. So what is my first step? I will convert the things in the power of 2. So it could be written as cos square theta whole whole square plus sin square theta whole whole square. And after that what I can do, again it is not this particular formula, a square minus b square, already we are going to apply in the so many questions. Okay, so this is the plus, this is the a square plus b square. So what to do? Try to think. First we will see this particular thing, 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta. You can see cos square theta is there with me, sin square theta is also with me. So anyway it is representing the 1 minus 2ab. 1 minus 2ab, so whatever the formula I will think, actually it comes whenever we are going for that particular expression, a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So actually when we will transfer this particular thing to the that side, so it will be representing minus 2ab. So anyhow we will come to this particular point, that particular formula we can apply here. Once again I am going to rub the board. Right now see, this is the special kind of question. See here, 1a plus b whole square, it could be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, that we are knowing it. And after that, actually what I want, my question is in form of this, a square plus b square. I want a square plus b square. So what is a square plus b square? So it could be written as a plus b whole whole square. This particular thing will go in that particular side. So minus 2ab, a plus b whole whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square. Things are clear to you? And that a square plus b square, our actually question is in that particular format. So right now very easy. We will apply this particular technique. What is there in place of a? Cos square theta. What is there in place of b? Sin square theta. And after that nothing we have to do. Whatever we have got, this particular thing, a square b plus b square, it could be written as a plus b whole whole square minus 2ab, wherever a is cos square theta and b is sin square theta. So whatever the values that we are getting in place of a and b, we are just going to put that in this particular thing. Why? Because a square plus b square, it could be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Right now see, a plus b whole square means cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is the a plus b, because in place of a, cos square theta, in place of b, sin square theta. And after that a plus b whole square, so whole square minus 2ab means 2 into a cos square theta into b sin square theta. Right now you can understand why I have applied that particular formula, because same thing, minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta I am going to get here, and that sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be converted into 1. That cos square theta plus sin square theta, it could be written as 1. Why? Because it is the identity only. and after that again same 2 cos square theta sin square theta, because it is nothing, it is a multiplication of this both. 1 square it could be written as 1 directly, and after that 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta, and actually that was our requirement that we have to prove here. So it is equal to the right hand side, and finally we will write down hence proved. So very easy logic, but here starting was the main thing. How to start a square plus b square? First we have converted the power 4 in form of the square format, and after that what is the a square plus b square? Actually it is not coming in any of the formula, but we know that a plus b whole square, it is equal to the a square plus b square plus 2ab. So anyhow that plus 2ab it can be transferred to the another side, and it will give me minus 2ab, and that minus 2ab it is coming here also, and that's why I have applied the plus formula. There is another formula also, that is a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. By chance here I will see plus 2 1 if it is in the form of 1 plus 2 cos square theta sin square theta, means if it is plus 2, so I should go for the negative formula, that is the a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square, sorry, a square plus b square, but minus 2ab, because that minus 2ab if it will transfer to there, so it will be converted into the plus 2ab. So this was the solution. You can understand, after applying the formula it is going to be very easy. Okay, right now come to the next question, question number 9. Come to the next question, question number 9. Things are little lengthy, it is taking so much time, still no problem, you just concentrate and focus more and more. Question number 9 is there, sec theta minus tan theta, inside the one bracket, what is there on the another bracket, cot theta minus plus tan theta, sorry, plus tan theta, and what we have to prove, tan theta into sec theta. No problem, very easy question. Here very easy, we have taken the left hand side, we have to just convert that sec, it will be converted in form of cos theta 1 upon cos theta, tan it will be converted in form of sin theta upon cos theta. Very easy work we have to go do here. Cot theta can be written as, sorry, cos theta upon sin theta, and that tan theta it could be written as sin theta upon cos theta. That is the first step that we can understand. No logic. And after that what it could be done? It could be solved. These are the fractions, so it can be solved. How? Cross multiplication theorem, 1 into cos theta, so cos theta here, minus cos theta sin theta, so cos theta into sin theta, no problem, upon cos theta, so it will give me cos square theta. It could be written inside one bracket, into, here you can see cos theta into cos theta, so cos square theta, plus sin theta sin square theta, upon what is there in the denominator again, sin theta cos theta. And after that if you will look, so here cos theta minus cos theta sin theta, what could be done, what to do? You can see cos theta and cos theta, these are the common term, so what I can do, that cos theta I can take common, so what is remained here, 1 minus what is remained here, sin theta, and what is there on the denominator, cos square theta, into cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is the identity, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, it will be converted into 1 because this is the identity, upon sin theta cos theta, same I have written whatever there is there in the denominator. Right now see, this cos theta and 1 cos theta, they can be cancelled out. 1 cos theta, it will be cancelled out from the cos square theta, so it could be written as 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, say cos theta cancel, so only cos theta remain, and into 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, right now what could be done? Sec theta minus cos theta. Actually I have written the wrong question. Look here, sec theta minus cos theta, and I have written sec theta minus tan theta. That is the problem here. It was none other than cos theta. Okay, is cos theta. So 1 into 1 here 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, no problem. I am correcting the mistakes. Upon cos theta into 1 only cos theta. You can see the question. Nothing else. Cos square theta plus this is the okay. This particular thing is okay. This is 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. Again, nothing is the problem. See here, 1 minus cos square theta. Actually, it is equal to the sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to the sin square theta. No, 1 minus cos square theta it is equal to the sin square theta. That we can understand because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta it will directly give me sin square theta and upon cos theta. No problem. Right now see the sin square theta it could be written as sin theta into sin theta 2 times and upon cos theta and this right hand side no need to worry because it is I have solved it correctly. See here cot theta plus tan theta, cot theta plus tan theta. Here I have written the question wrong, so that I have corrected right now, no problem at all. Right now this is the correct solution. Right now see sin theta and 1 sin theta it could be cancelled from the numerator and denominator, and after that what I am going to get? I am going to get sin theta upon cos theta. From here sin theta upon cos theta into same 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta, and after that sin theta upon cos theta it can be written tan theta into 1 upon cos theta it can be written sec theta. See the right hand side, tan theta into sec theta, tan theta into sec theta. So I have got the same result according to the requirement of the question. So that is equal to the right hand side and it is hence proved. I have written the question wrongly, that's why it was creating the problem. Otherwise it is very easy question. Only conversion, whatever the sec theta, convert this particular theta in form of cos. If tan theta is coming, convert in form of sin upon cos. Cot theta is coming, convert in form of cos upon sin, and after that only simple. Okay, this is coming in form of the fractions. So how to solve the fractions? Only cross multiplication of the numerator and denominator respectively, and after that direct multiplication of the both the denominators. Same thing I have done. Some identities will become 1 minus cos square theta, it will give me sin square theta, and after that this cos square theta plus sin square theta it is going to be 1. Same thing I have done, and after that simple calculation, cancellation, and we have got our result tan theta into sec theta. One another question I have to solve, question number 10. Look here. Question number 10. Okay, it is little lengthy question and video is going to be little lengthy. So in the next lecture I will solve that question. Thank you so much.